ICL versus LASIK. Which is a better procedure for you and how to make a choice? Hello, I am Dr. Shreya. I am a senior consultant at Sadhana Institute, Delhi. So today I am going to be talking about the basic difference between ICL and LASIK surgery for removal of glasses. Probably you all have heard about LASIK eye surgery, in which a laser is used to reshape the cornea and to remove glasses. However, I'm sure not many people are aware of ICL surgery as an option for removal of glasses. So ICL होता क्या है? ICL, also known as an implantable contact lens, is placed inside the eye. So basically it is an intraocular surgery in which the ICL lands up in front of the natural lens of the eye and behind the iris, which is the colored part of the eye. It is a relatively safe surgery and absolutely painless with fairly quick results, and patient को immediately 1 या 2 दिन में amazing results आते हैं और vision improvement is quite quick. So now you must be wondering कि ICL choose करें या LASIK choose करें. Both in their own ways are excellent procedures and excellent options for removal of glasses. So LASIK is primarily a cornea based surgery जिसमें 2 lasers का इस्तेमाल होता है. First is the femto laser जिसके द्वारा एक कॉर्निया पे फ्लैप बनाया जाता है, एंड द सेकेंड लेज़र इज द एक्साइमर लेज़र जिसके द्वारा कॉर्निया की रीशेपिंग होती है और अब्लेजन होता है कॉर्निया का. सो इट इज़ अ कॉर्निया बेस्ड सर्जरी. हाउएवर ICL इज एन इंट्राओक्युलर सर्जरी जिसमें कॉर्निया को टच नहीं किया जाता. सो ऑल दोज पेशेंट्स हु हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद देयर कॉर्नियाज लाइक केराटोकोनस, या फिर अगर आपकी कॉर्निया की थिकनेस इज नॉट एडिक्वेट एंड यू आर नॉट फिट फॉर LASIK सर्जरी, देन यू आर अ गुड कैंडिडेट फॉर ICL सर्जरी. If you are not fit in the criteria for LASIK surgery because of the thickness of the cornea, then you can opt for ICL. Secondly, all those patients who have high refractive errors, जिनका number -9 से ज़्यादा है, they are definitely better candidates for ICL surgery because it has been seen that the quality of vision is much better after ICL surgery in such patients as compared to LASIK eye surgery. Thirdly, the most important thing is that ICL is a reversible procedure. It can be reversed anytime if required and it can be removed. However, LASIK जो है, एक बार आपका टिश्यू डैमेज हो गया, it cannot be reversed. And lastly, all those patients who have a significant dry eye disease are also better fit for ICL surgery as we are not damaging the nerves of the eye through laser procedures. So ICL is a relatively good surgery. However, not everybody is fit for it. आपके डॉक्टर आपका पूरा एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे देखने के लिए कि there is enough space inside the eye to place an ICL. Because if there isn't, then ICL can also lead to certain complications. So to summarize, ICL and LASIK both are excellent procedures. However, after all the investigations, your doctor is going to suggest you which one is the best for you and which is the best procedure that is going to give you a spectacle-free life. If you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions related to ICL or LASIK eye surgery, you can always ask us in the comment box below. Thank you.